Hi, good afternoon. Let me introduce. My name, Wendy Cassandra Guerrero Salazar. I am 30 years old. I live in Melgar, Tolima. I work like military in the Air Force of Colombia. I am married. My husband works in the Air Force Colombian too. We have 2 children. My first son, his name is Ian Guerrero. He is 9 years old, and my second son is Isaac Yepes Guerrero. He is 4 years old. I am studying English because it's necessary for my grade like accountant, and because I like learning better this idiom for my development like military and professional. I love it, spend the time with playing with my sons, reading book and reading bike, and running with them. Thank you for your time.